The year was 1999. The Matrix was in theaters, Sugar Ray was on the radio, everybody loved Raymond, and everything was radical because these guys were about to be released. Kyosho introduced the RC industry's first palm-top size RC car, and they shall call it Mini-Z. By 2004, 500,000 Mini-Zs had been sold worldwide. People loved their highly detailed, realistic-looking bodies and loved how they drove as well. This explosion in popularity was helped by the release of the breakthrough MR-02 as a Ferrari Enzo. The Mini-Z now had a servo saver, and the MR-02 chassis remains popular with racers to this day. That's right, these little guys have their own racing class and even a world championship. Because they are so small, you don't need a lot of space to run them, and their lightweight means there's not much inertia when you do crash, so they're comparatively tough. In October 2009, when sales had hit over 1 million, Kyosho unleashed the MR-03 chassis. It had a tiny little coreless servo for steering, and that allowed the batteries to be closer to the center line of the car for better weight distribution. It was the most advanced Mini-Z yet. And then, for a while, everything stayed the same. Sure, there was hop-ups and mods and stuff, but no new factory model for 14 years. Until this. Let's have a look in this plain white box. This isn't what they will come in, but it is what this one did come in, because it's special. In here, in this post pack, is the first new Mini-Z chassis from Kyosho since 2009. This is the MR-04 EVO2. Get out of here. Wow, nearly new, 98% new. That's what they say, so I have to assume they reused that screw. The MR-04 has been announced in this, Kyosho's 60th anniversary year, amongst some other celebratory models like this McLaren. It comes in 3 versions, 4,100 kV, 5,600 kV, and this one, the fastest one, with an 8,500 kV motor. Even with some lazy AAA batteries, that's still 50,000 RPM. And it's a censored motor too, so it should be nice and smooth. This new chassis focus has been on having an even lower center of gravity than the previous model, and it's adjustable between narrow and wide using these parts. There are also these parts, and I couldn't work out what they were, so I checked the instructions. Kyosho referred to them as Giagado, and while Giagado sounded delicious, it didn't translate to anything. Then I found the part on the car. This part. The gear guard. Anyway, it's got a better camber angle and a better scrub radius, just better steering geometry overall. And it comes with a ball diff, a tiny little one in here. This particular car came with a receiver ready for a Futaba radio, so I'm gonna have to try and find someone with a Futaba radio to try. You can also get one that works with a FlySky Noble, which is probably more in my price range. Maybe I'll do that. Obviously it needs that radio gear, but also a body and wheels and tires. And that's exactly what's going on in the next video of this car. So, what wheels should we put on? What body? What paint job? Let us know in the comments, and like, comment, subscribe, all the things. For more Kyosho goodness, check out these and the rest of the channel for more RC stuff. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.